Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be tying this very beautiful Zara Gele in under 2 minutes. Now you take your paper. Now you want to take a carton that is not that hard. So in this video I used two. You can use one depending on how thick the paper is, but if you are going to be using normal paper, you can use like 3 to 4, then just fold it into that measurement. Now the measurement for this gele is 50-50, and 50-50 means you just divide your gele into 2 equal parts. Then from the middle you now put your carton or paper the way I'm putting it. So you can see how I'm folding a bit, so just a bit inside, then you fold your gele over the paper. So once you do it this way I'm doing, you now take it like this, then place on your head. So it's just that simple. Make sure that you get exactly how to cover it so that you don't have a problem. Now once you've done this, you now come to the back, then you make a single knot. So you just tie your gele once, exactly how I've done here. Make sure that it is firm, not too tight though, just tight enough that it will be comfortable to carry. And once you're done with that, you can now shift your gele to the front, like shift the remaining flap that you've not done anything with to the front. Then here I just twist, just the way you twist anything, simply just twist. I decided to bring this to the front so that you can see what I'm doing, and more importantly is also easier to do from the front. So whatever design you want to do, you can see what you're doing, especially when you're using a mirror. So I've twisted it, then I took both of the twists and I twisted it around themselves, and I now took my gele in a round movement. That's all I did. The first twist for the single flap, then you take both flaps, then you twist them around themselves in an X movement, then you just come around at the front, and the end of it you just hold down with your pin. You can hold down with more than one pin depending on how fixed it is at the front of your head. So once you have done that, you want to now move the gele back to its rightful position, and just little adjustments here and there, you have your easy to tie Zara cap gele. And this gele will serve you either for owambe, whatever, church, mosque, wherever you take it to. This gele would definitely serve you. So you definitely don't just want to be watching the video, but also giving it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Check my other videos, and I will see you in my next